In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the index collect formula in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple employee table and use a single formula to pull exactly the value we need based on multiple conditions. By the end, you'll understand what each part does and how to adapt it to your own sheets. Here's the table we're working with. It has columns for employee name, department, role, salary, and status. Each row represents one employee. Some are in sales, some in marketing or IT, and each person's status can be active or inactive. Our goal is to return the name of an employee who is in the sales department and is currently active. To do that, we'll use a combination of collect and index. The formula looks like this. Index, collect, employee name, department, sales, status, active, 1. Let's break it down. Collect is the part that filters your data. Its first argument is the range you want to return, in this case, the employee name column. Next, you provide pairs of criteria ranges and criteria. We're checking the department column for sales and the status column for active. Collect scans the sheet, finds all rows that meet both conditions, and builds a list of matching names. Index then takes that filtered list and returns a specific item from it. The final number, 1, means give me the first match from the list. If you change that to 2 or 3, you'll get the second or third match based on the original order of rows in the sheet. That's helpful when there are multiple employees who meet the same criteria and you want to step through them. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the text in your criteria matches what's in the sheet, including spacing. Put text criteria in quotes like sales and active. If no rows match your conditions, the formula will return an error. You can wrap it with iferror to display a custom message. Also, because we're referencing entire columns, you don't need to worry about locking cell references as your sheet grows. This approach is especially powerful in larger data sets where manual filtering is time-consuming. With Index Collect, you're targeting exactly what you want without changing your view or risking accidental edits. And that's how you use the index collect formula in Smartsheet to return specific values based on multiple conditions. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.